All right, everybody, welcome back to Barbells and Burnouts. We are out here at the Loud HQ meet with my buddy Kriston here. Y'all don't know him yet, but hopefully y'all get to know him. So we're out here at this meet. We're about to have some fun, all right? So I don't know if y'all saw it yet. Pay attention to the Instagram, but I had to bring the baby out. She's finally back. So I had to bring her out, all right? So let's get into it. So I think this is my second Loud HQ meet, but as you can see, all the way over there, the donuts are starting already. They're starting already. So I think it's gonna be a really good. How do you feel about this one?
I honestly don't know, but we're gonna see.
I think if some foolishness is finna ensue, people are running already. Oh man, they about to get in.
Shut down immediately.
Immediately. I hope they don't start the fireworks like that. Look at him. Oh Lord, is that a Mustang? No sir, not me. Oh, it's a Camaro, not as bad. And here they go. And here we go. All right, as everybody runs. All right, so I kind of caught the tail end. I hope he does it again, but this SRT4 right here, it's kind of nasty. I hope he does it again.
Bro, we wrapped my car earlier.
Yeah, they're so good. I was looking at it.
One more time for the vlog, dog. One more time for the vlog. That joint is nasty. That joint is nasty. That boy is shooting a mean flame. Alright guys, so we kind of got kicked out from that spot. And they dropped the location for a new spot. Sorry, that's me rev matching right there. So we're heading to the new spot right now. So catch up when we get there, yo. Alright, so they want us to come here underneath the bridge and stop. As you guys can see, it's going on. It's wild. They act real reckless. So that didn't last too long. It was just a mad dash from underneath the bridge. I guess Gwinnett police just followed us. But we about to have some fun over here. I just pulled up to the quick trip. Man, this is gonna be an interesting night tonight. Very interesting night. Alright, so as you guys can hear, they kind of going a little crazy out here. The cops are all the way over there, all the way over there, and I think we're right there. So we're not gonna be able to leave, so let's just have fun while we can. Do it for the camera. Do it for the vlog. Yeah. Oh yeah, y'all say hi to the vlog. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we ain't gonna be able to go nowhere, so we just gonna have fun. I'm not getting a ticket because my car is parked, so I'm not part of the foolishness. This is gonna get worse. That's the thing. It's gonna get worse. Hey, make sure you go sub to the channel, Barbells and Burnouts. Barbells and Burnouts. Alex, what's your name? Noel, what's good with you, man? Join the movement, bro. Alright, so somebody brought the beautiful, beautiful Mustang out. Oh my goodness, man, get out the way, man. Look at it, beautiful. It looks beautiful, man. Oh yeah. Yep, Burnout County is not happy. Alright, y'all, as y'all can hear, we're at the new spot. We got people out here slinging that thing. Oh man, now they setting off the fireworks again. It's finna start up again. It's a Mustang, y'all. Boy had the Mustang 2.5, I ain't even wreck it, man. That's a sub. He did it for the Mustangs. Alright, so hopefully the cops don't come and pick us up that quick because it's gonna be a long night if they do. Yeah. What's up? What's up? But yeah, so they got a little box right here. A little burnout donut box here for everybody. See the crowd out here. Let's see. Oh gosh, here comes another Mustang. He said his what? Definitely something. Yeah, they setting off fireworks. We got about 2 or 3 or 4. Oh, double trouble. Hey man, he might lose. here. And we out this bitch. Cops is here. Oh yeah, we out. Oh man, cops just pulled up on us. I see you.
I see you, boy.
You out? Alright, cool. Alright, so I guess where I'm gonna end the video, cause it's about to get wild. Thank you guys for watching. Alright. As I get out and head out. Alright, remember? Let me cut this on so y'all can see me. Remember to like, subscribe, and catch the rest of the channel. Alright, I'm gonna catch your boys later.